Let's talk about iContact email marketing. So I want to talk to you about the pros and cons, and the features, the pricing of this tool. So here's a synopsis I want you to pay attention to. So when you think about iContact, I want you to think about a tool that provides a solution that's both easy to use and very powerful too. So with its drag and drop email design tools, smart email automation, and useful analytics, iContact is a good all-around email marketing tool that's really ideal for a small business or professional marketer. So if you're a solopreneur, if you're a small business owner, if you're a micro business owner, you will love iContact. Is it good for a larger enterprise? Not really. I want to talk to you about the pros and cons of this tool, so we have a clear idea of what we're talking about here. The pros first. You have a set of versatile email building tools. You have unlimited emails with that really are happening with the upper plane, so that's really good in terms of scalability. And you have upfront pricing with the free tier, so you have a clear idea what you're getting yourself into. And you have a tool that integrates really well with apps such as PayPal and Stripe. So again, in terms of scalability, you have a pretty good tool here. What about the cons? Well, in the past, iContact has suffered a security breach. So, if they have suffered this in the past, maybe they will suffer this in the future, which means that they have actually ramped up their security protocols, that's for sure, but you never know, right? And with iContact, there's no 24/7 support. And also, if you want to have if you want to have pricing for more than 500 contacts, you have to contact customer service for you to receive a custom quote. So iContacts was founded in 2003. So really, when you think about it, this makes it one of the earliest email marketing tools. It was a creation of an entrepreneur named Aaron Houghton, who sought to build a platform that will make it easier for small businesses to engage with their customers via email marketing services. And so, given its focus on small businesses, affordability was a major selling point for iContact, and still is anyway. Okay, and that's an important element. And we love the fact that iContact is really innovating all the time, and we love the fact that they are actually integrating across multiple verticals to make sure they serve their customers a lot better. By the way, boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. Make yourself comfortable. You are going to enjoy today's conversation. Let's talk about pricing here. I want you to look right now on the screen for pricing when it comes to iContact. So you have the Grow, the Expand, and the Advanced. So that's really cool. They have the trifecta. They do have every now and then they have a holiday sale, but those are more promotional. But really, the more permanent pricing tiers are the Grow, the Expand, and the Advanced. Okay, and those are the prices as of data right now. So the thing is that iContacts actually used to have a free plan, but they are actually rolling out the free plan based on the geography. They are rolling out this plan in select geographies in select locations. The free plan supports a maximum of 500 contacts and 2,000 monthly emails, making it suitable only for businesses with a small number of customers. And then you have the Grow plan. So the Grow plan, you have 1,500 contacts. So you have a new social creation and posting feature, and that will set you back $27 per month as of the date of this show. You have the Expand. So you Expand will limit you at 2,500 contacts, and this is a $41. You can find new audiences, refine your existing base, and then you have the Advanced. Advanced 5,000 contacts. You can bring in new customers, share knowledge. This is really cool. So the Advanced plan actually lets you send an unlimited number of emails and host an unlimited number of landing pages. The only cap is on the number of contacts, 5,000. And iContact is also available within a Salesforce account starting from $99 per month. If you subscribe to this plan, you can create and send emails directly from your Salesforce account. So that native integration is kind of cool there. What we love about the iContact is that it is a tool that really adapts to your situation. So even though those prices here are this seem pretty static, if you contact customer service and you explain your needs and you explain, the types of campaigns you're trying to build, they will give you a bespoke quote that can be very competitive. Something that not a lot of competitors do. Some competitors are really pretty rigid when it comes to their pricing. But hey, listen, it is what it is. But if you want to go above a 5,000 contacts, you need to you need to reach out to iContact's sales team directly to arrange a custom deal, okay? And the custom deal, you will love it. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about iContacts. Is this email marketing tool really worth it or what? I want to talk to you about the features you can expect within iContact. So basically, the thing is that iContacts provides a drag and drop editor that makes it very easy to actually design effective marketing emails. The platform offers a collection of email templates that you can pick and customize to fit your brand using the drag and drop editor. Emails that you build using this editor are optimized for both PC and mobile displays without any extra efforts from you. And many people read their emails from smartphones, which makes this feature really important. And the cool thing is, if you have programming skills, you can edit the underlying HTML codes on the drag and drop editor to make your emails look better. Subscribers on the advanced plan also have access to a drag and drop editor for creating landing pages. And that's really cool. So iContacts lets you use automation tools to send emails to customers based on specific conditions. Let me give you an example. You can send an automatic welcome email to every person that signs up for your subscriber list. You can personalize this automated emails by including the recipient's name to make them feel important and more likely to respond. So this is really good, and it's not good. It's not enough to actually reach out to your customers. You have to personalize your emails. Okay. You must also measure the performance of your campaigns to see if they are delivering the intended results. And fortunately, iContacts provides analytical and reporting tools to help you do that. Now, the granularity is not there. Those reports are not as deep and broad as what you will see, for instance, in MailChimp. But hey, listen, they still get the job done anyway. You can monitor critical metrics such as your open rate, click-through rate, and bounce rate, and know when to adjust your marketing strategy or not. That's what we love with iContact, the ability to give you guidance along the way. And so in terms of the iContact's interface and use, fantastic. Okay, so iContact's email deliverability is the deliverability rate is really high, and of course, it's one of those things where they can constantly improve anyway. And also, over 1,000 licensed stock images are available to create a unique email for maximum impact. And designing an email is straightforward with a drag and drop interface. However, the task is more difficult if you want to create an email from scratch. And iContact also has strong list management tools. It's simple to create subsets of contact lists based on, for example, zip code or when the user was added to the database. So that's pretty cool in terms of granularity, but also segregation, if you will, audience segregation. And the platform also easily integrates with an excess of 100 apps, including PayPal, Shopify, and SurveyMonkey. Let me talk to you about iContact support. So we love the fact that iContact features a wealth of content to assist you become a better email marketer. And again, it doesn't matter on the size of, it doesn't matter if the size of your team is large or small. There are over 100 professionally created webinars, videos, and guides to optimizing your PR, your public relations strategy, your email campaigns, and campaigns that can help you, both novices and experts alike. And the professional content available via a blog, podcast, and email lookbook will all help to turn you into a marketing expert. So that's really good. I mean, we love the fact that they have very innovative training sessions on the platform. For example, the webinar on head and start of marketing, why your emails must have this 10 things. Actually, it's pretty good because it is informative. It is also really actionable. We also find excellent video walkthroughs of the software and training videos on every aspect of the portal. So that's really cool. For technical support, a packed FAQ section explains every part of the software for those looking for self-help. The free plan only has email support, and we actually found a support portal to initiate contacts. And alternatively, advanced plan users can have access live chat and phone support for direct contact, and those are available Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. through 7 p.m. Eastern. So this is really important to keep in mind. What about the competition here? Well, basically, you have a lot of players. I mean, this is a very crowded space. You have Mailchimp, you have Bravo, you have Infusionsoft, you have Salesforce. You have so you have a lot of players here, and it really depends on what you're looking for in terms of sophistication, in terms of granularity of the report, and also in terms of the all-in-one aspect of things. Also, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about eye contact, and the question is this email tool really worth it or what? Let's talk about the value added. So when we think about eye context, what kind of value does this email marketing tool really add to your operations? First of all, the setup and registrations are pretty straightforward. So right off the bat, eye contacts adds a lot of value there. So no need to be a PhD in computer science, no need to be a sophisticated like email marketer to really understand. Everything is pretty straightforward. Okay, and the dashboard has links that let you integrate eye contact with Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter, now called X, and you can schedule posts and track analytics on those social media services. Given Instagram's rising popularity this past few years, it would have been a definite plus to have an integration to that channel. And you can really extend eye contact's functionality by integrating with third-party services, including 123 Contact Form, Salesforce, UltraCard, and ViewBix. And you also have like another area where eye contacts adds a lot of value happens when it comes to adding contacts. So you are able to add contacts automatically, not a problem. You don't have to do things manually anymore. Copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. No, you can really do things a lot faster. You have anti-spam safeguards that can really save you a lot of cash. So iContact is a stickler for anti-spamming and privacy regulations, and as such has spelled out very clear anti-spam policy. And more importantly, iContact strictly enforces its own terms and conditions as well as industry standards. This means what? It means that emails and newsletters sent through iContact need to adhere closely to the rules, including anti-spam, opt-in email authorization, the use of bot email list, and other insidious email spamming practices. So that's an area where iContact really adds a lot of value. So send an email that potentially breaks any of its rules, and iContact will catch it in its safety net, send you an email stating why your send was rejected, and guide you to their deliverability team to sort out the issues. So that's really cool in terms of being really strict there, because reputation is all that makes iContact what it is really when you think about it. Another area where iContact has a lot of value happens through insightful campaign analytics. So sending your messages is only the start of your campaign. It's critically important to be able to know whether your customers are actually looking at your messages and responding to them. You can track each campaign's performance through the Compare Your Send Messages graph, which clearly illustrates unique opens, unique clicks, and the click-to-open rates. So that's really cool. You can find results for all surveys, information about how many autoresponders have been sent, and open click rates for email campaigns. You can see the numbers for opened, bounced, no response, and clicked. The report also tracks social media reach on Twitter, now called X, Facebook, and LinkedIn. And you also have a pie chart that shows the ratio between emails that were open to emails that resulted in a click. There is no refresh button though, so you will need to reload the page to see new data. And Google Analytics integration is available upon request, and the latest opens by platform graph breaks down interactions coming from smartphones, tablets, or computers. So that's really good. You have an impressive knowledge base and support. That's another area where they really add a lot of value. But overall, when you think about iContact, I want you to think about an SMB focused marketing tool, a small and medium-sized business focused marketing tool. In other words, you are able to have a straightforward email marketing and automation solution that really suits the needs of most small and medium-sized businesses, through though parts of it are especially focused on beginners. So creating well-designed and effective emails is something that most users will be able to do thanks to step-by-step instructions and adherence to anti-spam regulations. So that's really fantastic. And we also love the fact that, of course, you can really have a DIY support. Support, like traditional support, is not as abundant as other solutions, but a broad knowledge base and ample content help desk really are kind of out there to kind of help you out. But one thing that's important that's really missing from iContact is the fact that there is no direct integration with Gmail. Okay, so basically, you are not able to import from Gmail automatically. A range of automation options are there, but they do not. That right now they exclude Gmail. But if you want to include Gmail, you're going to have to contact iContact. I mean, to reach out to iContact sales team to actually give you a custom quote. So it's not it's a bummer, but hey, listen, it is what it is. So what is our verdict here? Should you get iContact? Yes or no? I mean, well, we recommend iContact, not a problem. This tool is safe. This tool is legit. The ROI is positive. As long as you set it up properly, this is really good. I mean, whether you're a small business, whether you're a large business, whether you're anything in between, you will love iContact. Okay, this tool offers a solid product, and it is priced competitively. The excellent onboarding and comprehensive tutorials make it, in our view, a solid choice for a small business starting out in email marketing, with tons of support articles, webinars, and blogs to support your ongoing growth. But if you want to go into more engaged campaigns, heavier campaigns, you're gonna need a larger, like a more sophisticated tool. While some professional marketers might find the automation, segmentation, and metrics lack the detail required for a large-scale, complex marketing plans, those with more modest goals are sure to be pleased with what iContact does better than most. Okay, and that's really that's what it is. So think about iContact as a tool that provides a powerful self-service method for building attractive email marketing campaigns, while not forgetting about either automation and workflow, as well as any spam protocols. Okay, you always have a wide variety of email building tools and resources, and we love the fact that they're constantly adding new functionalities to the existing tools. You have useful metrics and unlimited emails that will appeal to small and medium-sized businesses. We want to insist on that because a lot of folks believe that email marketing tools are only for large enterprises or medium-sized businesses. No, if you are a micro business, if you're a solopreneur, if you are a one-person venture, you can also, if you're a marketer, if you're an entrepreneur, you can also avail yourself of a tool such as iContact, not a problem. And we also love the fact that they're constantly, maintaining a certain level of reputation through their anti-spam controls. So that's really very rigid, but really positively rigid. We were very happy to see the rigidity when it comes to the anti-spam controls. That really is good because regulations for anti-spam is really those regulations are really tough. So having this rigidity is really good for the end user anyway. So that's just fantastic. So overall, fantastic tool that we would recommend. Not for sophisticated campaigns though. For those, you might want to go to MailChimp, GetResponse, Aweber, Bravo, and so on and so forth. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. In today's conversation, I was just talking to you about iContact, and I give you the synopsis, the pricing, the features, the value added, and the verdict. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.